Alright, in this next C++ video, we have a program that will, in main, take an input from the user and return a string to the console that will use that number and give you stuff like an element's name, mass, and symbol. So here's main, where we get the user's input, which can be from 0 to 118. Anything else is considered invalid input. If it's 0, it'll end the loop and end the program, therefore. Print element here is just a print statement with all of the, just for the output. And then all my data is stored within get element name because there is 118. That's all the elements listed. And same with the mass. And once again, same with the elemental symbols. Let's go ahead and run this thing. Enter atomic number 1 through 118 or 0 to exit. We're going to enter hydrogen's number. Element with atomic number 1, which is what I entered, is called hydrogen, which is correct. Has a mass of 1.008, also true, and has the symbol H, once again true. Say I entered 120. Invalid input, try again. Let's say I entered a negative value. Invalid input. You enter a thing that isn't a number, it'll end because it's expecting an integer. So if I run it again and give it a 4 with his beryllium, we can also enter a 0, which will just straight up end the code right there. See how it didn't do anything else after? Pressing enter there just gives us the exit code, and all I have to do is press enter to exit. This code is basically just a bunch of if statements that return data that I paste in from other sources. And then all I do is have the user tell me which ones to pull out. It's kind of like a library or like a shelving unit where you have everything sorted by number and you go to that specific shelf and that specific number and you pull that number out and you get all the data on it. So in this case, the number is the atomic number of the element from the elemental table. And the stuff inside the box would be the name of the element, the mass of the element, and the symbol of the element. I hope this video was interesting. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.